Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can scrap ESPN data, sports data from ESPN by using Python script. You need to have Panda libraries and Selenium as well as a WebDriver. To run this code, you need to download the Chrome driver or the browser you are using, and you need to give a set a path for this. Like mine, I have given the path for the Chrome driver where I have put my script, and you need to import all these libraries before running this code. I will explain all the code blocks and what it does. Please follow through. So here you can see I have set up the Chrome driver with the path, this block of code, and here I have set the URL so that the driver gets the URL I want. Specifically, I want the ESPN MLB or Major League Baseball batting stats for year 2024 season. This block of code waits for the driver to load the responsive table from the ESPN, and this block of code locates the show more button. Some websites have tables that have a show more button or other buttons. After clicking it, more data just appears. So to capture those data, you need this block of code. After clicking that, you need to scroll down and capture those data. So this block of code scrolls down, and how many times it should be clicked, the show more button or the button that is responsible for showing data is given 5 times. If you need more, then you can give it more. It depends on the website you are using. And I have also given time slip of it so that the code waits for the website to load. This block of code collects the headers. So since the ESPN websites usually divides table into two parts, a fixed table and scrollable table, so the data and headers are divided into two parts, so it captures them separately and combines the headers as well. You can see here. Finally, I have captured the data that are inside the table body and table rows. You can see here for both the fixed tables and scrollable tables, and I have finally combined them by through this data and also captured them, and finally I have put them in a Panda table data frame and displayed them. Finally, this code quits the driver or the browser, and this bit of code downloads the data as a CSV file. So here we will run this code so that you can see how it works. I have run this code. You can see the Chrome driver has been already opened, and we will see the code how it works. We can see the browser is opened. It is scrolling through the data. Here you can see it has clicked the show more button twice, and then it will show the headers and how many rows are there, and finally the data will be seen as well. I have given sleep times because sometimes the browser takes time to load, and if it takes too much time, the code runs faster than the browser loads, then the code might not capture all of the data. Sorry for that. So that's why you need to give a time sleep so that all the data is captured smoothly and nothing is missed. You can see here the headers are captured and the rows are as well, and finally the data will be shown as the Panda data frame, and this driver will be quit as well. We need to wait to load. Okay, it is taking almost 2 minutes to load. I think, then it will be finished. So you see the driver is quitted, and the data is loaded as well. So here it is the MLB season 2024 batting stats here, and I have a code also for the from the ESPN for pitching code. Here you can see I have replaced the URL of batting with the pitching URL, and since pitching data is more than the batting data, there are you have to click the show more button like 10 to 15 times. That's why in the scrollable section I have given 15 here, you can see it, and all the codes are same, and when we run it, similar results will be found, except the data rows will be like 700 to 800. So this is how you can scrap data from ESPN website. ESPN website is quite complex. While coding, you need to inspect the website and find the elements where it is actually located. Then you can smoothly code the write your script and scrap the data. So here you can see it is it has already clicked the show more button 5 times. It will almost do for 10 to 15 times. Then the headers will be seen, and finally the data will be seen. So this is how you can and scrap ESPN data, sports data. So I hope you like this video, and if you need help or this script, you can just see my video, or I will just give a link to my Google Driver where I have put this script. You can find it there. Otherwise you can see the video for this code. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I will see you in the next useful video to scrap data or doing some important and useful analysis in Excel or Python. Thank you.